Are you aware of me coming by today?
The video begins with a woman standing in front of a house, holding a strange bag in the middle of the night.
I can't hear you.
Hi. Are you aware of me coming by today?
No. Who are you?
Oh. I'm Joy.
Okay, and who are you looking for?
Oh. Alright, I'm sorry. I probably got the wrong house.
Yeah.
The homeowner told the police what had happened to her in the middle of the night. The police learned that the woman's name was Rhonda and that her son hadn't been to school for a whole month. The police went to her and spoke with her, and she couldn't believe what had
Rhonda?
happened.
Are you Rhonda?
Yes.
Hey, Rhonda, I'm actually here to talk to you. So, you have a 17-year-old son? Kid?
17-year-old son?
Or, oh, I'm sorry, a child.
Yes.
Yes. They haven't been to school in this whole month?
Oh, yeah. No. It's just that, I haven't sent him to school yet.
Okay. So, from what I'm being told, yes, they haven't been in school this whole month.
341, that's all 97.
Mm-hmm.
The school is unaware of what's going on with him.
Oh, he's going to go back to school.
Okay, but at this point, it's already reached the point of truancy. It's reaching the point of truancy.
The woman was calm and said her son would return to school, but the police wanted to enter and check on him. And that's when the shock came.
And is your kid here right now?
Charlie, yeah, we left tonight.
Is your kid here right now?
Is my son here?
Yeah, is he here?
Yes.
Is there any way I could at least see him just to make sure that he's okay?
Sure.
She's just trying to pull up a picture of her ID and then gonna go inside so we can at least... He's in there? That's what she said.
Upon entering the company premises, the child's body was found bearing signs of torture and beatings. It was discovered that he had been dead for a month. The police arrested her, but the reason for her killing her son remains unknown. The following video from the Frolit Estates was filmed at midnight to depict scenes of what happened. The home security cameras show a stranger ringing the doorbell several times, and on the last ring, he threatened to break down the door. The homeowner contacted the police, but the identity of this frightening and strange person remains unknown. The following video is from Brazil, specifically from near the Amazon rainforest.
Guilherme, tem bicho aqui. Tem bicho aqui. Vem cá, vem. Vem. Você vai sair aí, tem bicho aqui. Ó. Que usa. Vai do céu.
The homeowner heard the mountain leopards roar in the house and was sitting in front of his car when he heard the sound.